Hey guys, Ty here. So No Man's Sky is actually finally here, also in VR with the new VR support directly from Hello Games. But of course we have some problems, and in this video I want to go through all the informations that we have on the internet on how to fix these problems and how to right now be able to play No Man's Sky without stuttering or very low frame rates like it happens right now. I'm currently using a PC with an i9 9900K and a 2080 Ti, and the performance are just very poor. So let's see together how to fix it and how to use this game also with like lower specs PC. So without further ado, let's jump together and let's see in this brief video how to fix No Man's Sky. Okay, so first thing we have to do is something that actually Bilbo Leggins, yes, it's the name, actually discovered, is that the desktop mirror view has effect in the game. So what we have to do is just to bring down all the settings that we have in the resolution settings and bring down the resolution as much as we can and bring down all the things that we can. In that way, we're gonna make the game actually much easier on the GPU and CPU, because right now it's like if you are running actually 2 times the same game at the same time. Very weird indeed. Also, the second thing we have to do, and something that I really recommend, because this game uses a lot of reprojection, you can go directly on the Steam VR settings and change the motion smoothing option to always off. In that way, the game is not gonna go in reprojection. Instead, maybe you're gonna have some frame drops, but nothing drastically, and you're not gonna have all the artifacts that you're seeing right now while playing. And because you're already there, you can also lower down the resolution for the game, so the super sampling if you need it. But of course, the resolution in game through the headset is gonna be a little lower. Second part is actually to go on the graphic options and rearrange everything in this way. So we have enhance, enhance, standard, 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 enhance, standard, enhance. And then I suggest to take the anti-aliasing off because actually it works pretty bad. And the filtering you can put around 4 or 8 and the HBAO at off. Okay, and at this point the game is gonna start to run much better. Of course, after a restart, I really suggest to restart SteamVR and the game itself after modifying all these options, and then when you come back you're gonna have for sure a good surprise. If it's not enough, you can lower down other details in the graphics option. Instead, if you think that you have some room, feel free to go up. I actually play everything in ultra because I don't see much difference in performance, but instead I see a big difference in what I see. And here we have it, guys. This is how to fix No Man's Sky and all the performance issues that we have right now. Hopefully, well, let's hope that Hello Games is gonna bring some patches in the near future so we don't have to go through all of these and we can actually have something that actually works out of the box. But right now, would I suggest it to actually buy this game even if it's now is a little bugged? Well, actually yes, with this fix, like you can actually enjoy this game without any problem and jump with friends in this amazing and huge universe there is No Man's Sky with the new Beyond update. Now, they also fixed the problem that it was with Windows Mixed Reality, so you're able to play it if you use the Odyssey Plus or the HP Reverb. That actually we're gonna make the review very soon if you're interested in that resolution monster out there. But yeah, they fix it. If it doesn't work yet, I'm gonna leave in the link below a GitHub link where you can actually fix it by yourself. But that's all for now, and as always, guys, if you liked the video and it was helpful, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike, subscribe to the channel for more of VR Tech, and I see you guys in the next video. I'll review there. Thanks for watching. Ciao.